What's up, everybody, and welcome back to another amazing property alert. We have an amazing deal for you here at Lumiere Riverside. This is the most top requested luxury modern apartment in Thao Dien District 2 in Ho Chi Minh City, right? This is the most popular expat community and the most popular luxury apartment in the complex. Also, you have the opportunity to book this apartment in any day, anytime in the month of June, and you can book for short term for 3 or 4 months, okay? So it's very rare to have the opportunities to book for short term. There's another hot opportunity, especially to get into a luxury apartment complex like this. You have the opportunity right now exclusively through Saigon Cribs. So first, I'm showing you the pictures of the swimming pool and the amenities. Just giving you a brief preview. But if you're interested, what you need to do is just contact me so I can send you the photos. I can send you all of the pictures of the other amenities and other the video tours that we have, so I can show you a little bit more about the complex if this piques your interest. So it does have a swimming pool, gym, and a lot of other amenities. There's tennis courts, there's everything. On the ground floor, they have restaurants, cafes, GS25, mini stops, everything that you need as far as community. Also, in front of the building has office buildings. So, potentially if you're coming here to work, you're looking for office space as well, you could literally walk to work if you're looking to do something long-term here. I'll go to the other. So the swimming pool is an infinity edge pool. It also has 3 jacuzzis attached to this swimming pool. This is probably the only swimming pool that I've seen that has 3 separate jacuzzis, as well as on this same area here, they have the barbecue picnic areas that you can book with your phone app. Really gorgeous amenities. Again, contact me if you'd like more details about that. You can also walk to the metro from this building as well here at Lumiere Riverside. Really nice, convenient location for you there. Another photo of the full featured gym, techno gym, really high-end equipment here. This is the creme of the creme, the best, all right? Another picture of the infinity pool here, really nice city view there. Got the pool lounges. Look, this is definitely the place to be if you are moving to Ho Chi Minh City. Now, going into the apartment itself. So this apartment is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath. All right, really nice apartment. Again, this is a luxury modern apartment, quite new, very good condition here. And also, we're providing for you the free bed linens as well as the deep cleaning and any repairs that's needed before you move in. So that comes with Saigon Cribs, with booking with Saigon Cribs, standard with our service policies. Really nice view as well. Has a really nice quaint open view that it views directly to the swimming pool area, as well as to the really peaceful pagoda side of the view. And it's a bit of a blank slate, has a little bit of classical touch with the crown molding within the apartment, but it's really kind of a blank canvas for you to kind of hang up your own artwork and really kind of finish the style the way that you want to. And this is a picture of the bedroom here, full built-in closets there. And really nice. Again, you get the free bed linens from us that's provided for you from Saigon Cribs. Nice flat screen TV. There is a baking oven in this apartment as well. Full high capacity refrigerator and high-end. Everything is high-end within the apartment. Induction stove top as well. And we also provide you with some cooking and eating utensils as a starter kit. That also comes with all of our luxury apartment bookings. So you also get that. Basically, it's ready to move in. Essentially, apart from like other real estate agencies, we really prepare our apartments kind of to resemble like an Airbnb. So it's like it's ready to move in. Just bring you land. We pick you up from the airport. Free airport pickup is also included, by the way. It's so much benefits that I can just go on and on when you're working with Saigon Cribs. But you book this in advance. If you want to do a short term or long term, it's totally up to you. But you can book this for a short term, 3 to 4 months. And we're picking you up from the airport and taking you directly to your apartment that's been deep cleaned and fully prepared, ready to move in. Another photo of the bedroom, just another angle, and a really nice pool view. And I told you also the view of the pagoda side. And as you walk into the entry, there is a nice shoe cabinet there that's available for you. Also, that table, actually the table is a nice full seat with marble stone top. That table has been changed. The dining room, the kitchen table there, this is a round table there in the photo. That's been changed. It's a nice full-on table seating area. So we did replace that with a really nicer style. We have another video that's going to be coming out very soon where we're just going to give you the full tour of the actual layout that we have right now, so that you can see that as well. Another thing I'll mention but the second bedroom is staged for an office. So this will work really well if you are someone that would like to have one of the bedrooms as your set office space. Currently, our tenant he's a digital nomad. He builds websites and does digital marketing for his clients back in the States, in America. And he works remotely. So he currently has that secondary bedroom staged just as his office. So just FYI, this is ready for the digital nomad, ready to go. So this is the closet area in the primary bedroom with the open shelving there. Really nice. Again, we also provide you with your towel linens and, you know, some basic toiletries, so when you land, everything is ready for you. Again, this is a photo of the kitchen area. That small table has been replaced by a full cedar marble top table. So just FYI on that. And yeah, really nice comfy sofa, leather sofa, and is a really nice space. Again, it's perfect. It's perfect if you're just landing, you want to do a short-term stay, lock in something really nice, especially at this complex. It's a very nice luxury complex. It's really awesome to go ahead and set this and lock this in for your short-term stay here in Ho Chi Minh City. And this is another angle of the kitchen. Again, high capacity refrigerator, brand spanking new. So this apartment is available. Oh, also the rental, 2-bedroom, 2-bath apartment. Also, the bathrooms feature the smart toilet here at this apartment complex, the Kohler smart toilet as well. So another feature to point out there. The rental is $1,450 per month and 2-month deposit. Again, you can lock this in for a short term, 3 or 4 months, or you can do a long term to lock in as well with just a general 1-year lease term. So this is available now. If you have any more questions, please contact us here at Saigon Cribs, and we'll send you the full details, more pictures of the amenities and things of that nature, and also other tour videos. So contact us below, like and subscribe. Thanks for watching Saigon Cribs. Peace.